Hi, I'm Micah Kilgore, Product Manager and Quality Assurance Leader here at CINCH CCM. So what is CINCH? It's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. CINCH is a software as a service that was designed by home care agency owners to solve a very specific problem in community-based home care, that of short shifts. These are very short visits being done by multiple caregivers, providing services to multiple clients all at the same time. And on top of all that, we need to ensure that all of these visits are invoiced correctly. So how do we do this? Let me show you.
CINCH is a complete product, and it allows you to put in all the information for clients, assessments, and care plans. But the heart of CINCH is in three major areas: caregiver assignments, schedule caregivers, and invoicing. With caregiver assignments, we use what we call visual team-based scheduling. It gives the visual big picture quickly and allows you to see your utilization. This is a view of all scheduled client visits for an entire week, and it's the big picture you've been looking for. You can see the dark blue visits are the ones that have not yet been completed, and the green ones are the completed visits. Now, this community has 3 caregivers working in the mornings. The caregivers are assigned to a track which shows them their client visits for the shift. The visits are listed like entries in an Outlook calendar. This is the screen that your schedulers will use so they can see where to add new client visits, and also check to see if the caregiver's workloads are balanced. You could also use it to look at visits on previous days to make sure that all of them are completed. Then when we change to the day view of the caregiver assignment screen, it's a little easier to read the schedule. What you see here is a picture of what is happening in the community in real time. You can see the visits are getting completed on time, and this is where you can make changes to adjust for staffing as well. We designed this engine to accommodate situations where caregivers may run late in the shift, or a caregiver may fail to come to the building at all. So how do we accommodate for those callouts? If you want to make a change to a visit, say change the time or change the track, or both, you can simply drag and drop it where you'd like it to be. You're then given the choice to move the visit just for today, for every day of this week, or you can move the entire series. Now, the second piece to focus on is how do I assign those caregivers to their shifts? On the Schedule Caregivers page, you can see which caregiver is working and when. If you'd like to add a new shift, it's as simple as clicking Add New Shift, filling out the shift information, and saving. But how does a caregiver know which track of visits they are assigned to work? Back on the caregiver assignment page, you can select the track and assign caregivers to that list of visits. The name of the caregiver whose shift is currently active will be displayed at the top of the track, and it will also be displayed in the caregiver app, so each caregiver will know which track they are assigned to work. And as a side note, one of the best things about the caregiver app is that it has the ability to function entirely offline. What about invoicing? We invoice based upon completed visits. Completed task sheets create the client's invoices. From there, you can export a file, which can be used by QuickBooks or any other product that can import a CSV file. We have given you just a glimpse of the many things that CINCH can do. It was designed specifically to meet the needs of agencies providing care with very short visits. For more information, check out our website at www.cinchccm.com.